On the opposite side of the globe, in Africa, there's a country called Malawi, called the warm heart of the world. However, it is a country with the poorest and weakest medical facilities. Can the people living in Malawi's lives change? "20 or so years ago, working at a Korean university hospital, nurse Baek Young-sim went to Malawi, a country with the poorest medical facilities even in Africa. She also chose a place with the poorest people, with the poorest environment. There was no electricity or water at all. Nurse Baek made a structure with bricks, and dug a well, and made a makeshift clinic. It just let people out of the rain and sun. People that needed treatment began to gather. She also visited different villages and vaccinated many children and adults. And sometimes she had to take care of more than 100 patients. I was at a loss. I wanted to change things, but there seemed to be no end. It seemed that there was no light at the end of the tunnel. I was in a great dilemma. However, I tried my best so that I could save one life, one at a time. I was able to exist because of that mission. However, all of this was too much for one person to shoulder. In illness and poverty, people were barely surviving in Malawi. Also, there were many children. Many children and people were dying without a chance for treatment. In particular, there were too many young lives that had perished. There was a 1-year-old child. The child was brought in by the mom to the clinic. They knocked on the door, and upon arrival, the child passed away, and I couldn't even get a chance to treat the child. It was very sudden. I felt very sad and heartbroken at the time, and I felt that if there had been more modern facilities rather than this makeshift clinic, then maybe I could have saved the life of that child. Nurse Baek wanted them to live. She had a very deep desire, and her hope became known to the world little by little, and at last, many people gave their support. Finally, her dream was accomplished. A modern hospital was built and was running in Malawi. 200,000 people are treated each year, and 1,000 new lives are born healthily in this hospital. With the establishment of the hospital, for sustainable operations, Nurse Baek also achieved her dream of a nursing school, and currently a medical school is being set up. A kindergarten and IT schools have been set up to give the people of Malawi an opportunity to escape from poverty and to get education.
She has improved, obviously, the public health in this country. She established a number of clinics outside the city of Lilongwe. I'd like her to continue what she's doing and continue the successes, expand, reach out to more people. And I would like to ask good wishes, well wishes in Korea, including certain corporations like the Samsung Corporation, which is responsible for this award that she's receiving.
A small woman with a small body. She accomplished something that people believed could never happen. Her small dream became the hope of Malawi, and it will forever continue with the people of Malawi.